Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Candace. I run a blog called Candace O Beauty, and I talk a lot about beauty, skincare, and some lifestyle things. I am at Candace O Beauty on all social media platforms: Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter. I'm in these streets. But this video, as the title says, we're gonna do some spring cleaning. I'm going to do some purging of my personal stash and my kit and share a little bit with you about how you can effectively go through your products and clean everything out. We're gonna talk a little bit how to know when to purge a product from your kit or your personal stash. And as I go through and show some things, as we're throwing things away, I am going to also share with you some products that I would repurchase and things that can just stay in the trash. So let's get into it. So there's two different dates a product would have. There's shelf life, how long it can actually sit on the shelf before it's opened. And then you have like the open life, and that's gonna affect the efficacy of a product. Efficacy is the ability to produce an intended or desired result. So that means literally the product giving what it's supposed to have gave, okay? So once you open this product, this tells you the amount of time you have until the product is no longer effective. You're not gonna die, your skin's not gonna fall off, you're not gonna break out, you're not gonna get hives. It's literally just not going to work anymore. So if you continue to use it, you're just using it, it's not doing what it's supposed to do, and then you wanna blame the product for not working, but it's not working, but because you should have thrown it out. So when you see this symbol, and it looks like a little open jar, that literally lets you know this is the time you have from the minute you open it, and air and oxygen gets into it, lets you know how much time you have before it's no longer effective. General timelines are 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12, 18, and 24. When you see something that's generally like 3 to 6 months, those sometimes, most times, are your more natural products. So if you were into like green, clean skincare, more natural line, those are products that you will see that will have a shorter shelf life. And this is particularly talking about skincare. Other things that will probably have 6 months, whether it says it or not, mascaras are 6 months, eyeliner 6 months, anything like around your eye, girl, you don't need it that long, get rid of it. So here are a lot of things from my bathroom that are currently open. There are definitely more things that are open, but I know that they're not expired. So let's get into it and do some spring cleaning. First, I have these Pearlessence facial mists. This one is a white tea and witch hazel, and this one is rose water. These expire 24 months, so 2 years. Use them a lot of times like after I do like a toner or something, or use it as a toner, because newsflash, your face is actually supposed to be damp before you put on serums and moisturizers. If you did not know, you learned something new today. But I was using one of them and I was like, why is my face sticky? It doesn't feel right. And then I went to go look at the jar and I was like, haha, she's old. So in the trash she goes. But one of them I had not had as long, and then leave it to Instagram stories and flashbacks, and it popped up one of these and said 2 years ago, so gotta go. Would I rebuy them? Absolutely, I love them. I like getting serums and facial oils from Pearlessence as well. All of these are 24 months. I checked some documentation. It's been 24 months. They've gotta go. This is another Pearlessence one. This is a 24 gold facial serum. This I know for a fact I've only had for barely a year, and it's 24 months, so I can keep this. But this is a reminder to me, hey girl, use what you have. So we're gonna put her back in rotation. This is a travel size of the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. I absolutely love jet lag masks. I've had a full size, I've had samples. This is a little tiny travel size. It's a really, really great, it's just a really, really great moisturizer and mask. You can use it as a mask, you can use it as an eye cream, you can use it as a face base. I really, really like it, but I've had this longer than 12 months because I've had larger ones, so in the trash. Child, say less, she's done. It's another Summer Fridays product. Clearly I love Summer Fridays products. you should love Summer Fridays products. They're just really, really good. But this is the R&R mask. It's so good. It doesn't work for everyone. I have very dry and dehydrated skin, so I love it. But it's got like rose in it, and it smells really good. But this is kind of like exfoliate and hydration, like all in one. It's really, really good, but I did not use all of it. It's been past 12 months. Begrudgingly, she has to go. Hold that thought.
Hold up, wait a minute.
I have decided some of these products I may not necessarily throw away because I can get some pictures out of them. So we gonna put some of these to the side. This is the Pixi Retinol Tonic. I feel like I need to go back. You know what? So this one is 12 months. I don't think I've had it 12 months because I think I literally have a blog post that this might have been one of my pandemic purchases. And we're just coming up on being in the house for a year. But the thing is, I'm not gonna be able to use it because I'm about to get my brows like powder ombre. I'm getting like semi-permanent on my brows, and you can't use retinol 2 to 3 months before. And I've been waiting months, which is why I haven't used any retinol. So I'm gonna put it to the side, but I don't think it's been a year yet. This is the Pixi Vitamin C Tonic. It says 12 months. I think I'm gonna have to go look at some documentation to see, but I do really like this. We're gonna put her to the side. This is the Pixi Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel, 12 months. I've clearly had it longer than that because I ain't like it. She wasn't giving what she's supposed to have gave, so trash. This is a Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. It says it's 6 months. Clearly I don't think I've even opened it. Well, I haven't opened it, so this is a good product. I prefer the Take the Day Off Balm, but we're gonna hold her for right now. So the Origins Out of Trouble mask, this is one of my favorite masks. It's very similar to the Eve Lom Rescue mask, but the Eve Lom Rescue mask I think is like $80. I think this is like $20. They're pretty much, they're like 99% identical. There's just 1 or 2 extra ingredients in the Eve Lom one as opposed to this one. But this is one of my favorite masks. It's just expired. But this is a really great mask if you want to like suck all the gunk out of your face. These little Bobbi Brown ones, this is a small little sample of a vitamin-rich face base, and it's 24 months. This is the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream. This one is only 6 months. I clearly have used it, but I can't remember the last time I did, and I'm sure it's been longer than 6 months, so it can go in the trash. This one, there's almost nothing left in it anyway, and I already have a full size, so I'm just gonna throw these away. Or maybe save them for pictures, and then throw them away. This is the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream, 12 months. I'm coming up on 12 months. I'm gonna throw it away. I wasn't much to write home about to me, so bye. This is the Drunk Elephant Slide Makeup Melter. To know me is to know I love a good cleansing balm. I have used it, but I clearly have not used it enough. Would I get it again? Possibly. It actually comes with like an exfoliator booster, which I like, and I haven't tried with it yet. So you know what? I'm gonna pull that out and I'm gonna try it again and I'm gonna get back to you. And that'll let me know if I'm really gonna keep it or not. This is the Kiehl's Papaya Facial Scrub. It's 12 months. I know I just hit 12 months because I remember exactly when I bought it. I was in the airport on my way to Dallas exactly a year ago. And while I like it, it was good. To be honest, I probably wouldn't buy it again. I just have other exfoliators that I like, but it was good. But I wouldn't buy it again, but it's 12 months now and she gotta go. Kiehl's Calendula and Aloe Soothing Mask. I like it. I'd get it again, but it's going in the trash. This is the Kiehl's Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus. It's an overnight mask. I have not opened it. You get 12 months on it. So we love a good mask situation. I think I'm about to start a Mask Monday series. So we're gonna keep this. All right, Glow Recipe, the Banana Soufflé Moisturizing Cream. This must have been sent to me because I didn't purchase it. I think I got it like an influencer box or something like that. And there was a point like I literally was just using it just to use it. Wasn't bad, but I just have other things that I love. This one breaks my heart. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I got this as a birthday gift from Sephora. It smells amazing. After using other body products, like I used to love it, but honestly, now like it does absolutely nothing for my skin. Like it just feels greasy and like it just sits on top, and it's not nourishing, it's not emollient, it's not hydrating to the skin. It says fast absorbing. Yeah, child, no. Helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin. Maybe that's that tight feeling I feel, but I don't like it. So it smells good, but it gotta go. All right, that's it for skincare. Let's get into some makeup things. The Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. Baby, I stand for this foundation formula. It's really, really good. I'm not gonna lie, I originally didn't want to get it because I didn't really like Huda. I didn't like the way she represented women of color on her platform, or the lack thereof. So I was really hesitant, like, child, I don't know, but she slaps. It's only good for 18 months. It's been longer than 18 months. So it's gotta go, but would I buy this formula again? Yes, it is full coverage. It gives coverage, honey. I would definitely get it again. But one, this is no longer my color, and two, it's expired. NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. I love NARS. I don't know if this is one of my favorite formulas. I don't think I would get it again, but NARS is 24 months. It's been longer than that. It's gotta go. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Absolutely love it. I have more dry, dehydrated skin. If you do not, and you are someone who's oily, you may not like it. If you are kind of like dry to normal, you may love it as much as I do. I clearly am on a quest to finding my color again, but the formula itself, absolutely amazing. Let me make this note about foundations. And I learned this when I was working as a counter manager for Laura Mercier some years ago. While your expiration, once you open it, most times is like 12, 18, 24 months. If you're someone who wears foundation every day, you'll go through it in 3 months flat. I promise you, 3 months, you're going through it. 6 tops. I found a MAC Pro Longwear Concealer floating around in my kit. It's only 6 months. Ciao. I'm not even gonna tell you how many years I probably had this, so she gotta go. But I would get it again. Kevyn Aucoin Supernatural Concealer. I like the texture and the consistency. Clearly not my color, not for me. And that's what happens when I get things that aren't for me, then they end up going in my kit. While I like the texture and the consistency, from what I can remember about this concealer, I don't think the color range was that good from what I recall, so I probably wouldn't get it again. Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, 9 months. Yeah, no. And it's another one that clearly not my color, like too peach. One's too red, one's too peach. I don't think I would get this formula again. Mascaras, let's get into it. Mascaras are 6 months. MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. Baby, this wand? Holy grail for my lower lash line, which has now been replaced by the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Rebel. She's a close second, but this is still that girl.
She's got a point. She's an icon. She's a legend, and she is the moment.
She's that girl. Urban Decay Perversion mascara. This is a waterproof mascara. I do not do waterproof mascaras. The wand is kind of nice, but I don't do waterproof mascaras anymore. I was getting lash extensions at one point, and my lash tech told me she swears against waterproof mascara as it'll damage the lash, and that's all I need to hear. And I have never touched a waterproof mascara again, so no. Urban Decay Perversion. The wand is nice, but I would only use it for the upper lash. It wasn't one of my favorites. It was one, like, I had got it in like a press kit from Urban Decay. I was on their PR list at some point, which I hope they have my updated address, because I do miss the boxes. But I just used it because I had it, but I honestly wouldn't get it again. This is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club mascara. She is for length and volume. Get into it. I really liked this one, and I liked that it came in like a different type of tube, but it's just been beyond 6 months. But my girlfriend Danielle works for Wander Beauty, and I know she swore by it for a long time, so when I ended up getting this, I was really, really excited. She's good, I would get her again, but we're past 6 months. Too Faced Better Than Sex, I got this in a sample at some point, some event I probably went to. Interesting wand. I actually would not get it again. I know a lot of girls swear by it, but I'm not, it's like, I don't like it. I know this always like hurts me when I have to purge. Like, I love purging, but when I literally see like the money literally going down the drain because I didn't use all of a product, it's literally why I enjoy being a minimalist, which is hard because brands send me things, I'm constantly trying things, but I need to do better about purging things. So now I know I'm gonna have to go through my skincare and beauty things like every 3 months. But anyway, I hope this was helpful. I encourage you to go through your kit, your skincare, your makeup, your hair care products, and throw things out. Remember, once it's expired, the efficacy, the effectiveness of the product is now altered, and it's not going to do what it's supposed to do. As always, thank you for coming. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you'll know every time I post a new video, and I will see you next time.